beauties, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beauty Budgetz here, and today we will be doing my my calendar view update for the month of August, so we can go ahead and get this out the way and get it all set up. If you are new to my channel, we have jobs over here. My job is to be open, honest, and transparent. Your job will be to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like what you hear, go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I'll be posting my next video. If you are new, I will just go ahead and say that do your little job. Go ahead and do your little job. We have jobs over here. I'm gonna do my part. I'm gonna be transparent. I'm gonna share budgeting tips. All you gotta do is like, comment, and subscribe. So go ahead, do it now. Thank you. Carry on with the video. Oh look, these are my notes for school, y'all. Aren't they so pretty and colorful? Since I'm doing them in color, it keeps me interested. It's my birthday month, if you guys weren't aware, so I will be doing everything in purple because that's my favorite color. I'll just be using different shades of purples and some pinks. I found some really cute digital stickers, so I'm excited. So in the calendar view, you will put in your bills. You will put in your paydays. I think this is the first step that you need to take to do, because you can see from this view what money you'll have left over after you get paid and pay all your bills, and then that's how you decide how much money you can actually leave for stuffing. So that's why I think it's important to start with a calendar view and then work your way from there. So for August, I will be using this color digital stickers. She didn't have this as digital, so I just had to take a screenshot of it. This is from Picky People Planner stickers for this, so I had to screenshot it. But you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. I hate to do it because it's kind of like taking money from them. However, if it's not available and how I need it, what else can I do, you know? So but yeah, I'll put a link to all of the stickers that I used in this, and then if you guys want, like, if you use regular stickers, then you can go ahead and purchase these from her. But aren't they so super cute? I really love them. Oh, you know what? I'll just make a copy of this. I really love these sticker sets, and I have to make sure the lines align with the back so I can know. Alrighty, that's good. So what washi should I use? I think I have a purple one in here. Isn't it? Look at this, look at this. Isn't that pretty? Okay. I'm still so in love with nails. Are you guys in love with them? Oh yeah, let's use this one. I think this is the fun part about budgeting, doing this type of stuff. Like, this is what keeps you interested in budgeting, because budgeting could be so tedious and boring, and it's like, oh, I gotta do this. But when you have like calendars and stuff like that, it makes it more exciting to go ahead and decorate. It's kind of early. I wanted to do this today so that I could edit it and have it done by Thursday to post. So today is the 27th, but oh, that's so cute. Okay, what else? So let's start with their days of the week. This washi came from Alina Studies, and this is, I think it was just a free download. Like, she offers free downloads, so Yeah, we can do that, right? That's cute. That's cute. Sometimes the monthly views can be so plain compared to like the weekly planners. But I decided I wanted to put a lot in mine. So, do any of you guys share or post on your personal pages? I still haven't. Like, we're still kind of nervous to do that because, you know, on my channel, I am very like I share exactly what we're bringing home in the house, and I feel like that is like a lot of information. So yeah, I don't know if I want to do that just yet. I'm not sure. But yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. Like, I don't know. It just seems so personal, and it's easy to be sharing this information with people that you don't know, you know, than it is to share it with people that know you. Okay. Only 31 this month, so what else can we do? Let's put some washi here. Put it in all of that space right there. Blank space, because we don't want no blank spaces over here. Need our bills, stickers. So I get paid on the 6th of August. Rent is on the 1st. Our subscriptions come out on the 1st. I know my cable is on the 15th. Will that be, so I get paid on the 6th and the 20th. So yeah, that's gonna be in purple. So for bills, this is what I do. I put in my paydays. Well, I put in my bills first, and whatever payday that falls under, that's the color I'll put it in, so that I know with that check I have to pay all of these bills. So what else do we have? Let's look at the birthdays. I don't think we have any birthdays besides mine, of course, in August. Oh, my mother-in-law is on the 29th. Okay, mother-in-law. So let's put hers in, and then we'll put mine in. So hers is a 29. Oh, and my Uncle Leon's. Shoot, I have to put his name on the list. Okay. And then my birthday. It's your birthday. No, it's not. But it's still. Okay, let me stop singing. Okay. So we could do this big, because it's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. Okay, I'm gonna need a color that stands out, and probably a font. What color will stand out, y'all? Let's try purple. Yeah, that's good enough. Good enough. Okay, what else? Paydays. So I know my car note is due on the 21st. Well, that's the very last day we can pay it. So we'll pay it on the 20th. I'm all on birthdays. I ain't even finished bills. I do have some credit cards we need to pay off, but maybe we will pay that off later. Let's just put it, yeah. All right, oops. So let's put in our paydays. I could have swore I had some more. payday slips. And the 15th, because what day is the 15th? That's child tax credit day. That's child tax credit day. That's good. Let's put in our labels. Paycheck 1 budget. Let's take this down to 55. Paycheck 2 budget. What else? Sinking funds update. Debt tracker. What else do we put? Weather challenge journal. My journal. Alrighty, so let's see if these links are in the right spot. Yep, that's good. Oh, we're dying there. Yep, okay, so they go to something, so that's good. Alrighty, what else do we need to put in here? Let's do days that I post on YouTube. Well, this little camera thing kind of looks like YouTube, I guess. I use a camera. It's more like Instagram, but that's gonna have to do. Okay. And we are going on vacation. So let me put that in. This lady matches. What else is going on? Let's get my homework. I'll fill in my homework assignments later. So yeah, I'll just put in all this things or all the blocks to where homework will be due, and then I'll put in my last day of the semester is going to be August 30th. So yay to me. I can't believe this semester is already over. Like my first semester of my master's program. It's so amazing. Alrighty, so this whole time I thought I was recording, and apparently I was not. So this is the finished product. I did add some more stickers just to make it a little bit more colorful, and I really like it. And then this is my Paycheck 1 budget breakdown sheet. So I did not do Paycheck 2 just yet, but this is Paycheck 1. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys as always for watching, and until next time, peace. Bye.